Are you a budding HVAC technician or a DIY enthusiast? Do you need to connect copper pipes? Then the DrewDell Copper Pipe Flaring Kit is a great choice. This kit has many tools. It helps you make perfect flares. These flares are essential. They stop leaks in your pipes. And the kit works for many pipe sizes. It goes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. This covers common household pipes. So, you can use it for many projects. Furthermore, this kit is super helpful. It makes pipe work much easier. However, the star of this show is the 45 degrees Eccentric Tubing Flaring Tool. It's like a master chef. It perfectly shapes your pipe ends. This tool makes smooth, even flares. Uneven flares can cause big problems. They lead to leaky connections. But this DrewDell Copper Pipe Flaring Kit prevents that. Also, the kit includes a pipe cutter. This cutter gives clean cuts. It's a clean cut every time. There's also a deburring tool. It smooths rough edges. This is important for good flares. Therefore, every tool in this kit helps you. They help you get professional results. In conclusion, the DrewDell Copper Pipe Flaring Kit is a complete set. It's like a well-oiled machine. It has everything you need. You can work on copper, brass, and aluminum pipes. It's perfect for refrigeration and AC repair. Moreover, it is user-friendly. Even beginners can use it. The quality of the tools is good. They feel sturdy in your hand. Ultimately, this DrewDell Copper Pipe Flaring Kit is a smart investment. It will make your plumbing jobs much simpler. It truly is a reliable kit. Pros: easy to use, install went great, best tools ever, 100% useful, good quality, professional grade. Tool pays for itself in one use, mechanism much easier to use, made a perfect flare, no leak at all, good flare tool. Hardly any marks left from tool. Burr tool and pipe cutter work well. Build quality appears top-notch. Ease of use appears top-notch. Perceived durability appears top-notch. Cons: received used tool. Shipped used tool when ordered new. Left copper pipe pieces on the box. Item shipped was used, not cool features. Flares copper pipe. HVAC flare tool 45 degrees eccentric flare, includes pipe cutter, includes deburring tool, works on brass pipes, works on aluminum pipes, refrigeration repair, air conditioner repair. The DrewDell Flaring Toolkit is a handy set for working with pipes. It helps you make perfect flares on copper, brass, and aluminum pipes, which is great for fixing air conditioners or refrigerators. The kit includes a special 45 degrees eccentric flare tool that makes the job easy, plus a pipe cutter to get the right length and a deburring tool to smooth out rough edges. This kit is perfect for anyone needing to repair HVAC systems or refrigeration. The DrewDell Flaring Toolkit is a professional grade set that's easy to use and makes perfect flares on copper, brass, and aluminum pipes, which can help prevent leaks. Users found the mechanism simple to operate, and the included pipe cutter and deburring tool also work well. Many say it's a high-quality, durable kit that pays for itself quickly. However, some customers were unhappy because they received used tools when they expected new ones, with one even finding copper pipe pieces in the box.